Hello everyone, Luke Rides, and what you're about to meet is what every brand is offering here at Motorcycle Live from Kawasaki.
Nice.
BMW, Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Indian Motorcycles, CF Moto, KTM, Husqvarna, Benelli, and whatever other brands you might meet along the way. And let's get it. Let's see what each brand has to offer.
It's showtime.
Okay, this is the Royal Enfield stand in 2023. So what you're looking at here is the electric Royal Enfield Himalayan E, and pretty tidy job. If you think that's the battery pack, that is a pretty tidy job. The chassis, the rear swing arm's been made by Paris in Britain, and this is a prototype at the moment, but it's Royal Enfield just seeing if there's interest for a electric off-road bike. So that's pretty interesting. And then you move on to this. So this is just a standard Royal Enfield. There's not much to it. Small engine, air-cooled, but it gets you into a Royal Enfield. That's the whole point of this. And it does look classic. It's a harkback to how naked bikes used to be in Royal Enfield. And then this is the latest Himalayan from Royal Enfield. Now they've made some important changes because there were problems with the original Himalayan.
Whoa.
The original Himalayan was air-cooled. Engine had no torque. It had no power. Riders riding these did say there was a lack of power, a lack of torque. Suspension as well needed to be better. And this is what Royal Enfield have done. So it does cost more, but it's what Royal Enfield have done. So that's important. So a liquid cooled engine, bigger cc's, so this is about 400 cc's, more torque, more power, higher compression as well, because you're liquid cooled, so it can withstand higher compression. LED lights as well up front, different swing arm, and it's better. LED lights, it's better, different dial, and some really interesting changes. So then you get to these. So this is where you get to a parallel twin, more power, more torque, which is really good. Interceptor, 650cc, air cooled, because there's no fan. Long flat seat, double exhaust cans, so that looks good. Analog clocks, really nice finish on the tank, and then these, there were two. So you have the GT and you have the Interceptor. So what was this? This is the GT. Right, so the GT has this sort of setup where it's more cafe racer style, and then you have that one which is comfort, easier, less weight on your wrists, which is pretty cool. And then it's really just different colour choices, and even the engine casing is a hark back to how engine casings used to be. And now you have the Super Meteor as well, 650. Because Royal Enfield needed to give that one more power, more torque. And then you go to the thingy, different colour scheme again. This is your entry level Royal Enfield called the Bullet. What is that? I'm not even gonna ask. That's some crazy shit. Air cooled. You can see as well, instrument cluster is more minimalist. And there you go. And then you have this off-road Himalayan, different colour scheme. And then you've got the GT. Now you got a classic 350, entry level into getting yourself into a Royal Enfield. This one is more military style in the colour scheme, and then you've got a different colour scheme, and then you've got the Himalayan, the new version or the old version? I think that's the new version. Yeah, with panniers. And then again, different colour scheme. And then you've got that, you've got different mugs, you've got different accessories. And then, yeah, a Meteor again, entry level Royal Enfield, different colour schemes, and different colour schemes. So yeah, Royal Enfield have gotten better. They have been refining their motorcycles, which is good. So they are getting better at this. And you know, everything's looking fairly well built on the latest Royal Enfields. That is a good thing. That is a good thing, and that is Royal Enfield at Motorcycle Live 2023. Thanks for watching, everybody at Luke Rides, and it's amazing to think the standards that we're seeing now, the high standards when it comes to motorcycles, and each brand is offering good levels, the main brands, high standards of motorcycles, and for everything, apart from Suzuki, super bikes, you know, super sports, super tourers, super nakeds, cruisers, grand tourers, super enduro, off-road, everything, cruisers, super cruisers. It's really good. Thanks for watching.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Let's get Luke Rides. Let's do some coffee. It happens to be back there. I know. Getting dizzy, aren't you?